The future of content creation is bright, and with AI by your side, there's no limit to what you can achieve. For example, you can use AI for affiliate marketing and earn income by promoting products you love. A shining example of this success is the Barbecue Lab. It's a channel that has focused on reviewing and promoting home barbecue grills and cooking accessories. With over 90,000 subscribers and nearly 9 million views on YouTube across just 226 videos, this channel has gained immense popularity. In the same way, you can also strategically place yourself in a position where you can earn from promoting products. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm your today's AI presenter from Wondershare Virbo. My name is Raphael. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. In this video, we'll show you how to start your affiliate marketing journey using the latest AI tools. That's not all, we're also starting a Master AI Before Others Do campaign. This is a chance to showcase your AI-powered video creation skills and win amazing prizes. Use Wondershare Filmora and Virbo's new AI tools to create your video. Share it across platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Twitter and TikTok with the hashtag Filmora Virbo AI video and tag Filmora Editor and Wondershare Virbo. There are prizes like Filmora's cross-platform annual plan, a year's subscription to ChatGPT Plus and a year's subscription to Virbo's Pro. This challenge is open until March 28th. But before we start this video and show you how to make AI content right now, let's briefly introduce affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a simple yet powerful way to earn money online. It works by promoting products or services on your platform, like a blog, social media, or YouTube channel. Whenever someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. Companies get sales, and you get rewarded for your efforts without having to create a product. Particularly, AI video generators have made this even more easier. These tools allow you to create engaging, high-quality videos without needing extensive video editing skills or a big budget. With AI video generators, anyone can easily produce content that showcases products, explains their benefits, and encourages viewers to click your affiliate links. How to generate affiliate marketing videos with AI tools. Wondershare Virbo and Filmora are amazing tools that help marketers produce high-quality videos with AI. Let me show you how. Wondershare Virbo, your AI-powered video assistant. First, Wondershare Virbo is equipped with a suite of AI-powered features and ultra-realistic avatars. Video template. There's a wide range of customizable video templates. These templates provide a solid foundation for your videos, while saving you time on design and layout. Whether you're creating product reviews, tutorials, or promotional content, there's a template that fits your needs. AI talking avatars. Then the AI talking avatars serve as engaging hosts for your videos. They bring a human touch without the need for on-camera talent. You can choose from various avatar styles to match your brand and content tone. AI talking photo. Also, the talking photo feature allows you to animate still photos. It makes any image speak and narrate your script. This amazing feature is ideal for adding dynamic visuals to your videos. AI voices. Lastly, there are more than 300 AI voices in different languages that can narrate your videos in a natural and appealing tone. This eliminates the need for voiceover artists while ensuring your message is delivered clearly and effectively. Filmora, make your videos with AI-generated images. With the latest update, an AI image generator has been added in Wondershare Filmora. This AI tool can create stunning visuals for your videos. Whether you need captivating backgrounds, product images, or illustrations, Filmora can generate high-quality images based on simple prompts. These images can be used within Virbo's talking photo feature or as backgrounds to make marketing videos easily. The future of affiliate marketing lies in using AI tools. It's clear that the fusion of AI technology and your creativity opens up new opportunities for marketers. By using AI tools like Virbo and Filmora, you can not only improve the quality and appeal of your marketing videos but also significantly reduce the time and effort involved in content creation. This synergy allows you to focus more on strategy and less on the technicalities. Ultimately, a competitive edge in the fast-paced digital market. Take this knowledge forward, experiment with AI and participate in our Master AI Before Others Do campaign with your videos. Also, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.